2020 was an unprecedented year for Newmont. It was one of the company's best in terms of safety, performance, and delivering industry-leading returns for shareholders despite the global pandemic. As the world continues to face COVID-19, Newmont remains committed to putting what is most important first, the health and well-being of our workforce and host communities. Newmont continues to work through this period from a position of strength due to our proven leadership team, our integrated operating model, and a highly capable workforce who are second to none in managing a crisis and creating value. As part of Newmont's relentless focus on safety, in 2020 the company made a fundamental shift in its approach by focusing on preventing and learning from fatal events, as well as focus on fatigue and well-being. This year, more than 70,000 critical control-focused conversations occurred as part of the company's Fatality Risk Management Program, vastly reducing potential significant events and injury rates. In 2020, Newmont achieved full-year guidance, generating a record $3.5 billion in free cash flow, nearly all of which is attributable to Newmont. In the fourth quarter, Newmont produced 1.6 million ounces and a further 271,000 of gold equivalent ounces, generating $1.3 billion in free cash flow. Newmont furthered its commitment to providing leading shareholder returns throughout 2020. On the strength of Newmont's fourth quarter performance and consistent with the newly established dividend framework, Newmont declared a quarterly dividend of 55 cents per share. This is a 38% increase from the prior dividend. Since early 2019, Newmont has returned more than $2.7 billion to shareholders through dividends, as well as completing a $1 billion share repurchase program. In the fourth quarter of 2020, Newmont progressed and completed a series of key initiatives. The company's autonomous haulage fleet began to arrive at the Boddington mine in Australia, and in October, the conveyor and materials management projects at Musselwhite Mine in Canada were completed. In 2020, Newmont took an industry-leading position on climate change, committing to a 30% emissions reduction by 2030, with the ambition to be net carbon zero by 2050. To achieve these goals, Newmont has committed $500 million over the next 5 years. As a modern mining company with a strong history, Newmont is celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2021. As the company looks to the future, it remains committed to delivering on its purpose, to create value and improve lives through sustainable and responsible mining.